Hey everybody, Nick from Airsoft Bros here, and 300 subscribers. That's honestly amazing. Thank you guys so much for the support. I know I've said it numerous times in previous videos, but I really want to just, again, say thank you. I remember when I was at like 30 something, I never thought I would get this high. So, again, thank you so much for the support. I plan to continue making videos as long as you guys are watching them. So, yeah. Right here in front of me, I have an Airsoft GI mystery box to celebrate the 300 subscriber mark. And judging from its size, I can already say with confidence that it is not what I was hoping it to be. I was hoping it to be the Arcturus AK-12, the new one with the Perun MOSFET. I really want that gun, but unless they like shrunk it or folded it a crap ton, that's not what I got. But enough talking, let's get this open. I do have an idea of what is in here, but I'm just gonna open it so that I can show you what I got and see if my theory is correct or not. Right off the bat, we have paper. And oh, would you look at that? Who could have guessed? Oh, okay. We have another Elite Force Glock. This time it's a Glock 45. Interesting. All right. I'm going to. Yeah, we got a Glock 45 this time. I'm gonna take a quick peek inside of this box. I don't know why. It just never. There we go. Little itty bitty baby Glock. There is a lot of lubricant on the slide, like everywhere. There's my magazine. Very strong. Is this? Wait. I need to check real quick. Okay, yeah, it is green gas. I'm just looking for the fill valve. Alright, but yeah, this is pretty cool actually. This is pretty nice. I can't say I'm not happy about this. This is cool. I could always use another Glock. I have a Elite Force Glock 18C upstairs, so this will be my second Elite Force Glock. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's sticky. It smells like lubricant, but the lubricant is sticky. I don't know why it's sticky, but it's sticky. But yeah, thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers, and thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, comment on the video, subscribe if you want to. Road to 400, I guess. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for all of the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.